And the Aam Aadmi Party has dropped two founder members, Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, from its decision-making process as it battled its first major internal crisis in its 3-year history. Sonal Mehrotra, my colleague, covered the 6-hour-long meeting where the party reportedly spent hours trying to get the two to accept a face-saving exit and quit without a vote. Sonal, but that was not to be. How did the numbers pan out eventually?
Well, Sarah, 6 hours of hard negotiation and the untenable has happened. Both Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan have been asked, in fact have been voted out of the Public Accounts, the Political Affairs Committee, the PAC. Now, what does this really mean? This means that Arvind Kejriwal has yet again had his way, and those who questioned his ways within the party have been shown the door. But what exactly happened? What are the minutes of these 6-hour meetings? The meeting started with discussions straight away on the media leaks. It later went on to a point when the party leaders, and specifically Kumar Vishwas, took both Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan to a separate room and asked him very gracefully to step down on their own, or else they shall be voted out. They do not have the numbers. The party also put forward a proposal in front of them. Yogendra Yadav was told that he would be made a state convener and also asked, to continue with his campaign on villages. Prashant Bhushan was offered to be the head of the legal cell. But both of them resented. They did not agree to these terms, and later we understand, almost out of a lot of hard negotiations, Manish Sisodia, then the right-hand man for Arvind Kejriwal, brought in the proposal for the ouster of Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. Now it was seconded by Sanjay Singh, and total they asked people, and if you read the proposal, it will say very clearly that the people of the PAC, the fellow people, have lost trust in them, and on that basis they want them to step down from the PAC. This was put on vote, and from 11-8 they won it. Both of them have been asked, are no longer members of the PAC. Also, what is their future looking like is unclear. The NE will meet next time soon in March this month to decide further course of action.